So what are your thoughts about the big snowstorm this weekend?
I really dislike snow. I'm always cold and I hate being cold, so I'm not looking forward to it. But I don't think it'll be too big of a problem other than having to get around places on campus. I'll probably just basically lock myself in my room for the weekend. So.
This weekend?
I really don't mind the snow at all. I'm not really someone who always goes out and does activities in the snow when it happens. I usually just like to look outside and kind of get the nice scenic view of it. And as far as plans this weekend, Friday is my birthday, so that might have some type of effect in case I want to go anywhere or some friends or do anything. You know, the possibility of getting snowed in, that might affect that, but we'll just make the best of it either way.
I just know that I need to put some air in my tires before the snowstorm hits, just in case I get a flat. I'm not trying to get a flat in the middle of a storm. I'm most likely going to be traveling into Boston that day to watch a meet, so I know I'm going to stock up my car with every essential that I need, like my wiper thingy to clean off my car, maybe a couple blankets just in case, extra snacks just in case. Definitely going to pack my AAA card because I'm not trying to get stuck in Boston, so I definitely need to start preparing today after finding out.